Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the two methods you can use to delete a point within Uinta. So what I've done is I've opened up a project that I've shot a series of points in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the first point from the map screen. So to do that, I'm going to click on any of my points here. In my case, I'm going to use point number 5. You're going to see that it brings up my information window with all of the information on point 5, including the point ID, location, date and time, and anything else the record has associated with it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the trash can to delete this point. It's then going to prompt me, are you sure you want to delete this point? At which point I'm going to hit, yes, I do want to delete this point. And that's going to bring me back to my map screen. Now, the second way I can delete a point is I can head to my list option. And you can see here, again, I have a list of points here, minus 0.5, which I just deleted. And I'm going to delete the fourth point here as well. So I'm going to click on that point, and you again can see I get a nice information window if I click on it. But if I actually want to delete it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the checkbox next to the point. Now you can also delete multiple points using this method, unlike from the map screen. But in my case, I only want to delete point number 4. So I'm going to select it here and then click on delete. Again, it will ask me to confirm this deletion. I am going to confirm this deletion. As I mentioned, I want to get rid of this point. That's going to bring me back to my list screen, and I now only have 3 points from the 5 I started the day with. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you delete a point inside of Juniper's Uinta. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.